So if you're looking for that perfect home gym equipment, something that's gonna make a big impact, but not take up a lot of space in your home, this rowing machine right here is perfect for that. And I gotta say, this is a quality built rowing machine. It's very simple to put together. You could do it yourself in under 30 minutes, and all around this thing, it is just quality. From the handlebars that have really nice grips to them, to even the strap that you're pulling out. And I love that when you just put it back in place, there's like a little cradle for it. On top of that, you have a display where you can also put your phone on there so you can watch your videos or whatever. And then you can scan through your time, your distance, your calories, your count, and your TC&T. Or you can have it scanning so it changes all the time. It even has an app that you can download and you can keep track of your progress. It connects with Bluetooth and you can row along with instructors, just throwing your phone up there and doing your rowing alongside that instructor. There's a tension control knob here where if you want it to be a lot easier, you can set it to 1, or if you want it to be more difficult, you can set it to 16 or anywhere in between to get that good workout. So if maybe it's too easy, you can just up it a little bit more, or if it's too hard, you can bring it down. You have spots to put your feet in and have nice straps to easily wrap around and Velcro in place. Other rowing machines that I've used in the past, the straps can be very difficult and come loose. These ones just tighten in place and you're good. It's got good grips on the feet as well, and I like that they swivel around so it's good for your feet when you're moving back and forth. It does have wheels on it to make it easy to move around if you want to like tuck it away when you're not using it, or just easy to take out somewhere else if you want to do this outside. It's great for that. I love the wood look on the sides, making it fit in with like home decor for your home gym. The seat on it is also very comfortable to sit on for long periods of time. If you're doing some rowing for like 30 minutes, it's gonna be very comfortable. And the sliding mechanism on it, like the way it slides, is very smooth. Really, really nice and easy to do. And then you have a stopper at the end so you won't go too far. So if you did this for just 30 minutes a day, I mean, you're already watching TV, you're watching videos on your phone, might as well be doing some exercise. But imagine, you'd see some significant improvements in your fitness in no time. So I highly recommend it. It's something I'm using every day, and thanks for watching.